Hello everyone, this is Engineer Dom and welcome to my channel. Ang video na ito ay tungkol sa Master Plumber Exam Review. Each subject ay hinati-hati ko at mayroong 20 items bawat part. Ang subject natin ngayon is Plumbing Code Part 1. Meron itong mga questions sa screen. Pwede niyong i-post kung di pa kayo tapos mag-answer dahil medyo mabilis ang transition ng questions. Then, i-continue nyo na lang pag tapos na kanyong sumagot. Isulat lamang po sa papel or sa notes ang letter na napili nyo per item. Then, sasagutan natin yan ng sabay-sabay mamaya. Pagkatapos ng 20 item questions. Dapat kabisado nyo to, ang National Plumbing Code of the Philippines. Dahil dito lang umiikot ang exam ng Master Plumber. Kung kabisado nyo to ay malaki ang chance na papasa kayo sa exam. Before tayo mag-start sa ating review, pa-like and share and subscribe po ng ating channel para updated po kayo sa ating susunod na mga videos. Salamat po. So, let's start the exam. Good luck. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10. Number 11. Number 12. Number 13. Number 14. Number 15. Number 16. Number 17. Number 18. Number 19. And last number, number 20. Sagot na naho natin. Let's go. Number 1. Any pipe or fitting which forms an angle not more than 45 degrees with a vertical line. Letter A, vertical pipe. B, tailpiece. C, horizontal pipe. D, inlet. The answer is vertical pipe. Number 2. An air pressure less than atmospheric also implies siphonage in piping system. A, back pressure. B, vacuum. C, outlet. D, inlet. The answer is vacuum. Number 3. The maximum vertical depth of liquid that the trap will retain, measured between the crown weir and the top of the dip of the trap. Letter A, water seal. B, rain water. C, trap seal. D, wet water. The answer is trap seal. Number 4. That portion of a fixture drain between a trap and the vent. Letter A, trap arm. B, tailpiece. C, outlet. D, inlet. The answer is trap arm. Number 5. The pipe or tubing that connects the outlet of a plumbing fixture to the trap. Letter A, trap arm. B, tailpiece. C, outlet. D, inlet. The answer is tailpiece. Number 6. That portion of a rainfall or other precipitation which runs over the surface of the ground. Letter A, dry water. B, rain water. C, surface water. D, wet water. The answer is surface water. Number 7. An approved tank or pit which receives sewage or waste water and is located the normal grade of the gravity system and must be emptied by mechanical means. A, soil waste. B, liquid waste. C, sewage ejector. D, sump. The answer is sump. Number 8. An underground drain pipe that receives only subsurface or seepage water and convey it to a pump for disposal by gravity flow or by lift pump. Letter A, drainage. B, subsoil drain. C, sewage. D, wastewater. The answer is subsoil drain. Number 9. A vertical pipe or a reservoir into which water is pumped to give it a head. Letter A, dry pipe. B, wet pipe. C, standpipe. D, plug. The answer is standpipe. Number 10. Waste, which requires some methods of handling such as the use of indirect waste piping and receptors. Corrosion-resistant piping, sand, oil or grease interceptors, condensers, or other pretreatment facilities. Letter A, soil waste. B, liquid waste. C, indirect waste. D, special waste. The answer is special waste. Number 11. The end of a pipe which fits into a bell. Letter A, bell. B, spigot. C, cap. D, condo. The answer is spigot. Number 12. A pipe joint obtained by joining metal parts with metallic mixtures or alloys which melts at a temperature 149 degrees Celsius to 427 degrees Celsius. Letter A, union patente. B, braced joint. C, soldered joint. D, plug. The answer is soldered joint. Number 13. An adjustable tubing connection consisting of compression nut, a friction ring, and a compression washer designed to fit a threaded adapter fitting or a standard taper pipe thread. Letter A, mechanical joint. B, conduit. C, 3D joint. D, slip joint. The answer is slip joint. Number 14. A building designed as a home by the owner of such building and shall be the only dwelling located in a parcel of ground with the usual accessory building. Letter A, residential. B, single family dwelling. C, high-rise accommodation. D, condo. The answer is single family dwelling. Number 15. An approved elastomeric sealing gasket with an approved outer shield and a tightening mechanism. Letter A, union patente. B, nipple. C, shielded coupling. D, plug. The answer is shielded coupling. Number 16. A vertical opening through a building for elevators, dumbwaiters, light, ventilation, or similar purposes. Letter A, septic tank. B, conduit. C, pipe. D, shaft. The answer is shaft. Number 17. Any waste water containing animal or vegetable matter in suspension or solution and may include liquid containing chemicals in solution. Letter A, black water. B, sewage. C, potable water. D, storm water. The answer is sewage. Number 18. The pipe from the street water main or other source of water supply to the building served. Letter A, main sewer pipe. B, distribution pipe. C, service pipe. D, fixture supply pipe. The answer is service pipe. Number 19. A loosely lined excavation in the ground which receives the discharge of a septic tank. Letter A, septic tank. B, cesspool. C, privy. D, seepage pit. The answer is seepage pit. And number 20. A sewer intended to receive sanitary sewage with or without industrial waste and without the admixture of rain or ground water. A, domestic sewage. B, sanitary sewer. C, building sewer. D, storm sewer. The answer is sanitary sewer. At yan po nagtatapos ang ating review sa Plumbing Code Part 1. Pa-comment po sa inyong mga score sa comment section or kung nagustuhan nyo ang video. At huwag nyo pong kalimutan mag-like, share, and subscribe sa ating channel. At sana po nakatulong ang video na ito sa inyo. At sana nag-enjoy kayo sa pagsagot. Maraming salamat po.